All I'm saying.
Hi guys, ngiyanamukela for joining me. I hope you guys are good. If you are new here, my name is Anda Skosana, popularly known as Jaco, and if you've been here, thank you so much for tuning in for yet another video. So don't forget to subscribe. Yeah guys, I've been so lazy to vlog, I've been so lazy, but I'm here now. I just had to get out of the couch and push myself. Well, this t-shirt ngisazosi-abuser shem, ngisithole mahhala, ngisazosi-abuser. Niyazazi iinkipa zamahala ze-ANC, you know the drill. But also I love the color, hence I always wearing this t-shirt at home. So I'm from the dentist now. I'm from esibhedlela to the dentist. I went to clean my teeth. So if you guys see me smile a lot, just know I'm still gonna do teeth whitening as time goes. Manje keep the stains, and I thought I was not gonna vlog. I thought I was going there to book an appointment, and they were like, no, let's just do everything now. So today it's Friday, and then I'm going to fetch my son from a cabo at his paternal family. Did I say it correctly? Yeah, it's Friday. I'm not putting Mlanda every Friday, but yeah, Mlanda cause now I will be with him for the rest of the month, cause it's December boss. If you know, you know. So yeah, we're just gonna go and fetch him and maybe go to the mall and run some few errands, cause and you know how babies are, they have their own food. Well, we are with mrata and all that, but cereal, snacks, milk, you know the drill. So yeah, I'm going to fetch my son. I am so excited. If ungangena ngehlizwe lami ubone ukuthi lo muntu lo uzizwa njani, like there's no words, there's no action or words on how to express it, but okay. So guys, get ready with me while I dress up. So I'm just gonna style my hair like this because I feel like young boy they lose hair young boy at the sun. So I'm just gonna tie my hair like this. It's giving, I don't know, but I have to be simple, right? Because I'm not going to luxurious corner. This dress I got it from Mr. Price 2023 when I was pregnant. So yeah, but it's not maternity dress. It's just that I got it in a bigger size because of. So yeah, and then I'm gonna wear this sandals. So yeah guys, this is the outfit. These are my not sneakers, sorry. I have to tie this like very tight, kipifika kesana, and then I will also like fold this, yeah, because I feel like it's too much. I don't know. Well, let me just style it like this. Oh, we get the vision. So yeah, guys, I'll see you later. I also fixed myself here because we're gonna first thing, yeah. So I had to fix myself, and yeah, man, I look good. Hey, I look so good. Well, I feel like I look good. It's simple, no, not complicated. Wanhlaloganya ngemzini abantu, yebo. So uma emzini abantu, you must look presentable, you must look decent. And then I wish I had a necklace on, yabo, but I don't have a small necklace. I do have a necklace, and I lost one from Stan's silver. So now that I'm into gold, I don't think I would wear it anytime soon, yabo. So I will see you not in a minute. Morning, guys. I hope you guys are good. Today is another day of the video. Today is Saturday and my son is here. So if you hear so I got some few things. We couldn't go to the shop, so we had to order in, yeah. And then I wanted to show you what I got. The Oros. Lately we've been drinking a lot of 100% juices and they're so expensive, so now I'm just opting for this because we can't afford to Thenga ama-juice now and then because it's hot, you know. And then some maize meal, my green tea. I don't know. Oh, my bacon. What happened? So I don't remember ordering this bacon. I don't remember, but we do need it in the house. That's why I was so surprised. No. He likes bananas, but now what's the other banana? Well, I love water, I know, but I have a cool. And then last but not least, yeah, yo, this for my son's porridge. He likes mother porridge. I got cold 2 of this because I cook here sell almost. And then that's all. And some eggs because we also like eggs. He likes eggs. Mina makanda. Yawatanda mara. It's a sometimes thing for me. And many uksugo ni ramane. Banana. Guys, I had to open this because as kids, I said, is mama vule jamsanami kalulu vulanjalet. Hi guys, I'll see you. I don't know what I'm gonna do today because it's a Saturday, so it means I'm gonna be here in the house being a mom. But yeah, I don't have plans. Nimala so. I'm about to cut Mel's hair, guys, because my son I'm the only one who's able to cut his hair. So wish me luck, because ukulele manje, and it's been like 3 to 4 weeks since he's cut his hair. So yeah, wish me luck, bandla. Yo minana bambene. Yeah, mama yazizokutane. Hi guys, I hope you guys are good. Today is another day of the video, and I am on my way to the mall now to meet my twin brother. And yeah man, he's going to spoil me. He said we should meet at Lane Mall. So I'm wearing a top from Mr. Price. I don't know if you can see well. Foschini, my bag is also from Foschini. It's an old bag. Mr. Price. Okay, let me show you that there. Mr. Price, Foschini, Truett, and Mr. Price. So my hair is from Smile Mama, but I did cut my old wig to be a bob. And wearing the sneakers. So yeah guys, I'll see you in a minute. Yep.
Go without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. Said you love me, don't wanna love me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. Treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm here. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm here. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. I can't deny, I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on going. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting while I'm without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on going back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. No more, I keep on going back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm here. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm here. And my heart can't take no more. Life keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? What you waiting on, look daddy? I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't crossed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy.
I hope you guys are good. Today is another day. Today it's Friday and we are going home. Mels and I are going home, guys. So yeah, Sise Pitori and then Siakamba Sekaya Wandevele. I am so excited. I am so excited that I'm going home. But yeah, we are hitting the road. So yeah.